That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money. That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello and welcome to Road to 10K, and this is episode 18. It's been a while since I've done any update on Road to 10K, and the reason is that you can credit it to COVID, the war, or inflation. People don't like uncertainty. Nobody knows what is going. The stock market is down a lot, and people are afraid to put their money in the market. And due to that, the market keep crashing just because people are selling what they bought for a high, selling them low right now, and just getting out, trying to get any money out of whatever they have because they're all afraid to lose their money. But the way I see it, everything is on sale right now. And if you have anything on your watch list and you have some money that you don't need for at least a year to 4 years from now, you should put it in the market. So I was looking around my portfolio and I noticed that the market has been moving up slowly. It seemed like kind of steady moving up slowly, but we will get there. And why do I say that? As you can see right here on my dashboard, the highest I had before all this stuff started happening was, I think, 6,800. And the lowest I seen it was 4,900. And as you can see right here, I seen the last month I'm up 18%. That's around $817 right here, as you can see. And the reason why I'm still down a lot, is because some stock that I took gamble on, knowing that it could go both ways, but it's a good chance that I would just say it was more like gambling, because those stocks maybe I had no business of buying, if you know what kind of stock I'm into buying, since I buy growth stocks. So let's go down and see what happened here. As you can see, Apple is up 39%. I'm down 0.9% on Amazon. Bristol and Myers, I'm up 15%, up 9% on Clayfield Asset Management. I'm down 17% on Salesforce. But Salesforce will come back. That's no problem. It's a very good company. One of my favorite stocks, as I always talk about, Diversified Royalty Corporation. They pay me dividend each and every month, right on the dot. Ford, I was up a little higher, but dropped down to 37%. And one of the failing stocks I have is Face Drive, and I'm down 34%. And I see it's 34%, but this stock here can go up any given day, no problem. It can get up to $20 in no time. Like I seen this thing go within a week from $2 to like $10, then 15 up to 20. As you can see, another one that I'm really down on is Lightspeed. Lightspeed is a Canadian company. I always say I compare it to Shopify, and it's down for a reason, but I think it's gonna come back just like when Shopify came out, and it went really low and it shoot back up again. So I'm not worried about that. And the last one is Westwater Resources. I don't know what's happening with this stock, but hopefully it come back soon. So as you can see, apart from these three stocks, the rest of my portfolio is doing really good, and it's very encouraging seeing that the past month I'm up 18%. It's starting to go up now, and people are afraid and selling, but the same people are gonna go chase this stock back again when it's really high and bought it high again, and they complain why they're always losing money. This is a quick update on Road to 10K, episode number 18. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.